Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Enunciating text 33, text 34, and text 35 of chapter 1. Questions by Vidur of 3rd canto, the status quo of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 33. Kachicha Chivam Devaka Bhoja Putrya Vishnu Prajaya Eva Deva Matuha Ya Vai Svagarbhen Dadhar Devam Trai Yatha Yajna Vitan Martham. As the Vedas are the reservoir of sacrificial purposes, so the daughter of King Devaka Bhoj conceived the Supreme Personality of Godhead in her womb, as did the mother of the demigods. Is she Devki doing well? The Vedas are full of transcendental knowledge and spiritual values, and thus Devki, the mother of Lord Krishna, conceived the Lord in her womb as the personified meaning of the Vedas. There is no difference between the Vedas and the Lord. The Vedas aim at the understanding of the Lord, and the Lord is the Vedas personified. Devki is compared to the meaningful Vedas, and the Lord to their purpose personified. Text 34. अपि स्वीदास्ते भगवान सुखम वो यह सात्वताम कामदुघो अनिरुद्धः यमां नन्ति स्म हि शब्दयोनिं मनोमयं सत्वतुरीयतत्वम्. May I inquire whether Aniruddha is doing well? He is the fulfiller of all the desires of the pure devotees and has been considered from yore to be the cause of the Rig Veda, the creator of the mind and the fourth plenary expansion of Vishnu. Adi Chaturbhuja, the original expansions from Baldev, are Vasudev, Sankarshana, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. All of them are Vishnu Tattvas or non-different personalities of Godhead. In the incarnation of Sri Ram, all these different expansions appeared for particular pastimes. Lord Ram is the original Vasudev and his brothers were Sankarshana, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. Aniruddha is also the cause of Mahavishnu, from whose breathing the Rig Veda appeared. All this is nicely explained in the Markandeya Puran. In the incarnation of Lord Krishna, Aniruddha appeared as the son of the Lord. Lord Krishna in Dwarka is the Vasudeva expansion of the original group. The original Lord Krishna never leaves Golok Vrindavan. All the plenary expansions are one and the same Vishnu Tattva and there is no difference in their potency. Text 35. Api svi danye cha nijatma daiva mananya vritya samanu ye rudika satyatmaja charudeshna gadadayah swasti charanti saumya. O sober one, others such as Rudika, Charudeshna Gada, and the son of Satyabhama, who accepted Lord Sri Krishna as the soul of the self and thus follow his path without deviation, are they well? Hare Krishna.